Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the ISL Collective worksheet. So I've sent you a worksheet. You click on the link that I've sent you and it will open on this page. Okay, you've then got your worksheet here. You click on your worksheet, and if it's a little bit small, you can go in, you can zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom out a little bit, zoom out. Okay, and then you can start writing what you want to write. So this worksheet's asking about your holidays. So last year I went, remember the past tense, to France with my family. Full stop. It was fun. Then you're going to tell me where you went, when you went, who you went with, what you did there, what you liked, how you went there, what you did, etc. When you're happy with it, you press the tick button and that will save it. Okay, that will save it. Once you're happy and you've finished your writing, I hope you're going to write quite a lot, you go over here on the right and you press the X button just to close this part of your writing. When you've done that, you're going to go down here and write your name. So my name is Richardson, and click on I'm not a robot, because I'm not a robot. And then you can press generate link for filled document. Once you've done that, it will give you a link, and you copy this link and send this link to your teacher. You will see that if we copy this link, if we open it in another browser, I will be able to see your worksheet with what you've written on it. Okay, and that's how to use the Fill and Send ISL Collective worksheets. Good luck.